Tayo nung bata tayo eh, no? Parang ang laki-laki ng bahay. Pag nakikita mo yun. Ito yung kwarto namin dati. Nakajalusin na. Nakajalusin na dati. Parang gigiba naman tong hagdan ni Kuya.
Kaya hindi ako nakapakbay na pakalusot.
Nalusot kami dito sa bintanang to dati. Naakit kami.
Akit ko sa bubuk.
Yan. Meron din kaming open below. Yayamanin, may open below. Diyan nag-i-stay si Uncle Peter eh. Kwarto niya yan. Yung mga gamit niya yan eh.
Dito mo.
Diyan nadudulog si tatay oh. Tuwalya lang yung latag.
Maraming natin din. Parang init.
Tapos may division pa dito dati oh. Sikip-sikip.
Kasya pa naman.
Hindi, noong bata tayo, ang laki-laki ng pakiramdam ko. Tapos dito si Naninang Vicky, di ba? Ang luwag-luwag pa noon. Parang ang luwag-luwag. Yung pala yung kanta niya.
Marcelito. Marcelito, di Boboy.
Hindi po ako. Ano? Kaya mo ta? Sana din yung tono mo eh. Yung mga diet dyan, siraan diet.
Bawal na sa atin.
Please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Shining down forever true.
Ayaw mo na?
Ayoko naman. Ayun na.
Hindi mo taton.
I close in golden flame. I had to see Johnny, I had to explain how my heart was filled with her memory.
Hindi yan, oh.
And that's my Johnny, if she married me.
Haba pala ng kantang ko.
I run all the way to the house next door.
Ang bilis eh.
The beans were like they were before. My teardrops feel like rain that day. When I heard Johnny have to say, Jimmy, Jimmy, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. It's been 5 years that you're 22. Jimmy, I married your best friend, John. The way I want so alone.
Ano yung katon na? Ano ako ano? Ha? Huwag ka. Takpan mo, hindi ko mahanap yung kanta. Sir, department store to eh.
Kaya nga, doon tayo lumabas.
Department store.
Dito tayo labas. Hi! Are you ready, guys?
Yeah. Start the
Yeah? Paano yung yeah?
Yeah. LA po. Ako din. Doon tayo sa kanila.
Dito kayo tayo. Ah, kuya!
Okay, deep dark secret, it's time. It's okay. Come on. Okay, let it go, buddy. What's the secret?
We burn hole in the rug.
Really? That's it? Whew, I thought you were gonna say the time we peed in the pool.
No,